Hi, this is Gary Sandlund coming from the CME Group to talk a little bit what's taking place in the agricultural markets as of late. And what we've seen here is a 5-week rally, and beans and corn are raced in a matter of 4 and 5 days. Since last Friday's USDA crop report was sort of the apex of all the markets. And we realize that, yes, we have a burdensome supply globally. The U.S. balance sheets are still very tight and relatively, really in all markets right now. So where do we go from here? What do we do from moving forward? We know that South America's harvest is coming at us right now. They're at the 2-minute warning basically in Brazil. Argentina is moving into the 4th quarter of their growing season. So you can see that season's coming to an end. Can we have some further loss in Argentina to the weather? Yes, there will be some further loss potentially. But in the overall aspect of things, their crop sizes down there are massive. So we know that we have some tremendous supplies that are coming at us in the up and coming weeks. But China's margins are still very profitable. They've been gone all this week due to the new year. They return next week, and I would anticipate them to come back and be an aggressive buyer of beans here in the very short-term future. Corn-wise, it's torn. There is no export market, but the ethanol side of things is on the return. The margins are improving. They're making money again, and you're seeing many ethanol plants start to turn the switch back on sooner than they thought. So the demand side of things may not be good and sexy from the export, but from the domestic side of things is very good. Wheat, in the meantime, is torn as well. It's been on a tremendous break. The U.S. wheat is very competitive globally, but globally we're not seeing the demand yet. And when that demand returns, we hope to see it come to the U.S. and we can start a fire in the wheat market as well. But as of right now, things are relatively subdued, and we start to focus on the planting intentions that will be released at the end of March, and we'll start to see the U.S. weather become more and more of a factor in the up and coming weeks, especially in the southern areas where they start planting here in the next 3 to 4 weeks.